India's Ministry of Defence had sent out expression of interest to local shipyards last week, inviting them to participate in the 60,000 crore rupees Project 75I, that aims to construct 6 diesel-electric submarines equipped with their independent propulsion systems in India. Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems has offered its HDW-21 new generation conventional submarines that have exceptional underwater endurance. The German company has said that it is interested in offering its HDW-214 class submarines with a high level of transfer of technology and training, and is ready to meet the offset obligations. The Indian Navy has also lined up several deals for 24 anti-submarine helicopters, 10 P-8I long-range maritime patrol aircraft, which are also in advanced stages of procurement. According to latest media reports, the Indian Air Force has signed a 200 crore rupees deal with Russia to acquire the Strum Ataka anti-tank systems for its fleet of Mi-35 helicopters, which would give an added capability to the helicopters. The deal for acquiring the systems was signed under the emergency clause, and it will be supplied within the next 3 months. India has been trying to acquire the Russian system for more than a decade, but the deal was made possible under the emergency provisions. Even as the process to re-equip soldiers with a new contemporary rifle goes on, the Indian Army is moving to modify the AK-47 rifles with new accessories to meet its emerging operational requirements. A process has been initiated for acquiring the specialty kits that includes items like the tactical flashlight, fiber-reinforced grip, extendable buttstock and a number of other items that can be attached to the rifle when required. The Indian Army has also floated a request for information this week to modify the AK-47 with arrangements to mount night sight, holographic sight and laser beam to increase the operational efficiency of the soldiers. As per latest media reports, the Pakistani military is under extreme pressure and are constantly changing their military strategy after the recent Balakot operations carried out by the Indian Air Force. Pakistan is purchasing long-pending defense equipments like radar systems and radar jamming systems to disrupt the Indian communication systems if such a need comes up in the future. The Defence Minister has hailed the Indian Navy and called it the most important component of government's Act East policy. The Defence Minister was on his maiden visit to the Eastern Naval Command, where he was briefed on the operational readiness of the command and other important aspects of maritime and coastal security. The minister also visited several ships and submarines of the Indian Navy and has urged the Navy to increase its awareness to monitor the Chinese activities in the Indo-Pacific region. The chief of Maldives' National Defence Force has clarified that neither the administration nor the military forces want to give foreign countries the opportunity to build a military base in Maldives, but there are plans to work internationally to enhance military capacity. The statement comes in response to the question raised by the opposition political parties against the present administration for attempting to lease land to the Indian Army for establishing a military base.
Omar dropped it.